Welcome to Decor Land. Today we are discuss about 100 modern black theme bedroom designs. So let's we start. Start by choosing black your primary color. It sets the tone. Mirror can amplify the natural light in a black themed room. Select bold artwork to make statement against dark walls. Use rugs to anchor to space and introduce. Include strategic light to prevent the room from feeling too dim. Do not shy away from mixing patterns for visual interest. Experiment with different shades of black for depth. Utilize story solution to maintain a clutter-free look. Soft textile like velvet or fair fur. Consider a black accent wall for a bold touch. Mix in metallic or mirrored furniture for a modern edge. Personalize the space with meaningful decor items. Balance the room with natural colored accessories. Experiment with black and white photography for wall decor. Incorporates pops of color through pillows or decor items. Think about functionally when selecting furniture pieces. Use black as a backdrop to showcase vibrant artwork. Consider a black ceiling for dramatic effect. Experiment with matte and glossy finish for variety. Do not forget about the power of well-chosen rug. Experiment with geometric patterns for a modern feel. Pay attention to undertone in black paint or decor. Metallic hardware can add a touch of luxury. Experiments with different textures for visual interest. Consider black and white art for a timeless vibes. Velvet or leather textures add a luxurious feel. Married furniture adds a touch of modern glamour. Layer textile add warmth and depth to the space. Consider a treatment rug for a pop of pattern. Embrace a mix of matte and balance a darkness with lighter shades to avoid a cave-like feel. Experiment with textured black padding for added depth. Mirror can reflect light and make the space feel larger. Metallic accents like gold or silver bring a touch of glamour. Bold artwork can stand out against dark walls. Plots add life and refreshing contrast to a black themed room. Mixing patterns can add visual interest and energy. Different shades of black can create depth and dimensions. Storage solutions help maintain a clutter-free look. Tie-up projects allow you to personalize your black themed space. Open shelving blacks up large expanses of black. Embrace intense contrast with white trim